This is it. My daily vlogs from Bali are back, guys. I hope so. You're gonna enjoy it. Meanwhile, welcome from the little bit of rainy Ubud. And Sayang is with me here today still.
Hi everyone!
Traffic in Bali is also back together with me, taxi driver waiting to sell you the tour around. And some local Indonesian tourists around, actually many of them, more than the foreigner, but the foreigners also are walking time to time. Yo, what's up, Jogo? And this is what left from the Ubud art market, still under the construction, with the difference as more sellers are on the footpath. Guy playing here on the, what's the instrument name? I forgot, what is it?
Ukulele.
Oh, ukulele, all right. Lady selling batik something, taxi driver, another one, little cafe. And there are some even tourists looking for shopping around. This time foreigner tourists, so that's the situation.
So I think that now still the vendors still selling on the street, because as the previously what we recorded, which is the Ubud traditional market, demolished and they're gonna build a new one. So yeah, you see on the street now they're selling the stuff on the street, like even raining, hot, sunny. So yeah, this is it. How is the hustle and bustle life in Ubud Center?
Heading now into the corner of Jalan Monkey Forest. Like I said, there are some tourists actually passing by. Here we go, here and there. Definitely more and more international tourists coming every single week. But well, it's still not that like it's supposed to be. But it's gonna be in the next upcoming months, like I mentioned last time anyways. And also the local people trying to sell you these dances. Barong and stuff like this, yeah. Thank you. All right, that's a pretty same shot like last time when I was before my traveling to, but more tourists actually around right now. The same people selling you taxi. He put on his head, actually so funny. And there are some another tourists. I will zoom it a little bit for ya. And here there are another ones. So yeah, it's getting better and better. That's for sure. And well, the traffic is also accurate to the current conditions, so pretty busy. Some local tourists making pictures, some foreigner tourists making pictures. Everybody tried to sell you something, people some waiting for something. So I could say as 50% or 40% is back, yeah?
Yeah, so Ubud is picking up nowadays.
Picking up. Doesn't mean it's back, but it's picking up, that's for sure. You can see many people actually around. Not mention as few months ago there was nobody here, you could play the football literally, so that's a big improvement, that's for sure. So welcome to Ubud, guys. Let me know in the comment section when you are planning to come to Bali, guys. If you're coming in the next upcoming weeks, definitely each week will be better and better and better. Only the sad thing in Ubud especially is that there is no market, but after that it's getting little flag here better and better.
Okay, honey, it's not about there is no market. The market is actually moved to the street. You see all the vendors now selling on the street. And
we are on Jalan Monkey Forest right now, and we are trying to pass the street. It's pretty the same like in Vietnam last time. Busy, so that means the traffic is back. Meanwhile, the shop situation, basically wherever you're gonna face the camera, there will be already some foreigner tourists walking around, so that's the big improvement. And I think we have to walk right now. I'm facing the camera, so maybe they're not gonna hit into us, right? That's normal. And there are some tourists here. Hello, hello. And yeah, all the shops are open, or most of them. Gelato secret, stuff like this. Some people driving around. Some renovations also around, preparation for the people. And here, and here, and here, everywhere actually. There is nice looking a dragon statue here in case if you're interested a little bit of the arts of Bali. Also very interesting thing is as many new boutiques are coming soon, like this one, made in Bali everywhere. And also like I mentioned, so many tourists actually. There are even group of the tourists with the guide at the front, so yeah, big improvements. But also you're gonna find a lot of places for rent still. But well, that's all needs the time to recover, right? There are some tourists local parking the cars, and meanwhile the traffic already getting busier really, and you can see the people arriving on the bike, traffic honking. Definitely slowly is getting back to any kind of normal, guys. Look at this thing. Wow. That's the modified Vespa. Look at the wheel. So yeah, let's buy it. And there's some tourists, of course.
Okay guys, so at this part of the Ubud traditional market, luckily it's still open. So yeah, let's go there and check how is the shop.
So this is the old stuff, very characteristic in Ubud. I think I cannot say the name, but this stuff is something new actually and looks a little bit like a Thai style. So in short, this is the street what's leading to the market, and this is still exists. They have a new stuff, that's for sure. And, well, it's getting, well, I think it's actually kind of busy actually. Yeah, not so bad. Some new stuff, some old stuff. Here is some bakso or something. Also, if you're hungry, local people selling stuff. Hello! Luwak here if you're interested about stuff like this. But they have so many elephants now and pug dogs. I am not sure actually why it's like that, but I like this. Interesting. At least they can sell it here, sayang, yeah?
Yeah, at least that the shops here that's still opening, but the building there in Ubud traditional market over there, they already demolished. So we will show you later on when we go straight.
That's
straight
right.
and straight until the end of the street.
That's right, let's go. Everybody gonna tell you very cheap, but remember, always try to negotiate at least 50%. At least. And bottle opener, honey, these bottle openers are so funny lah.
It's everywhere. And
Everywhere.
that's only in Bali.
Only in Bali. And this is the street, and just on the other side of this is like this, guys. Sad, but wait few years we'll back to something better for sure. Sayang, remember when some like 2 years ago, 1 year ago we bought something here, like make a video, was so
Yeah,
quiet,
so
but
nice.
was so like old school, but now it's gone, right?
Yeah.
All right. At least there are some tourists right now, but because before was nobody here actually. So I'm not sure which situation is better. Probably in next few years will be the best situation here actually. And the bags, many stuff. And the market is finishing over here. Market is open, my friend. Always remember, come and support this guy. As Winnie said, that was my mistake. Market is open, just the building is gone. My bad, little bad. You can interpret that however you like it. Okay, lunchtime, dinner time, what do you think, Saya?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's how it looks the situation here in Ubud in the art market situation around. I think we're gonna grab some dinner, right?
Yeah, it's dinner time. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Ubud Center in the Ubud traditional market. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you next time.
Bye.